My boss gives me regular access to this gorgeous 2017 RZR XP Turbo, and the only thing it's been missing, in my opinion, to make the experience better is a rearview mirror. So I reached out to Maverick Advantage, and they sent me this unit, which I installed yesterday. I'm honestly impressed with this mirror. It was easy to mount up and provides a wide angle view. It doesn't obscure your vision from the driver's seat, but provides great visibility to the rear and to the sides, almost acting like side mirrors to some extent. This is how it is from the driver's seat position. Here's a close-up of the mirror itself. You can see how it mounts. It's got two swivels in it. It's easy to adjust. I took it out for a spin yesterday, and it didn't move. It's mounted up solid, and it's a great mirror. So like I said before, if it's a side-by-side that you need a mirror for, or if it's an ATV, I recommend you check out Maverick Advantage's website. That's where I found my mirror for my Honda Rancher, and that's where I found a good mirror for this Polaris RZR XP.